So, I'm playing a different game on here. I'm going to try to do something very, very costly in one simple way on this game. I'm going to start small though, but I'm going to try to reunite the entirety of every country that was ever inside of the English Empire. And there's going to be a problem with this. This bit was English. This was English. Sorry if I sound loud. I think this might have been English. It's somewhere in there, but it was connected to Greece there. And this was English. There are a few countries in here that were English. I don't have to have war with Saudi Arabia, but I have to, I'm going to fight Yemen and Oman. Oman. I don't have the map that I'm using to figure this out, as I'm using it on this device so that way I can zoom in. But, oh, here it is. Hopefully it doesn't go to a site. Okay, good. Can I zoom in on this? So, I'm going to be taking that area, those areas, as well as areas in here. And you see the big problem. I'm going, just so you know, this entire area right here is bigger than Russia. The entire North America is bigger than Russia. Not bigger than Asia, but bigger than Russia. So, the reason why it's a problem is because I'm going to be taking the entire country so that way I don't have to worry about defending against them later on. So, then I have this area and Hong Kong, as well as another Chinese state or city. Then here's going to be fun. I'm going to challenge myself, since I just defeated or won the game as Brazil, which I can't show you right this second, but I had a lot of countries. I had a lot of land as Brazil. A lot of Africa. Africa will arguably be the easiest front. No offense to anybody who likes Africa. It's just a plain and simple fact that, well, they kind of have the problem of not having much infrastructure, and the biggest countries being, in this game at least, being Egypt, I think Algeria. Like, these are the countries that can defend me the most. Nigeria, Cameroon, DR Congo, Chad, maybe Kenya, Mozambique, Angola, Namibia, South Africa, and finally Ethiopia, as well as this map actually has some proper geography for some African states actually get separated. Except for some in this region. I know Mali is not that big. I mean, look at the map where Mali is on the game. That area is much different. So yeah, I'm going to be going through on the game, taking over those regions. I'm not going to touch China or China or North America right away. If I created the game, so nobody's on the game yet. But, however, I'm going to have fun figuring out what to do. Because